Hello, little learners. Are you ready to go on a fun adventure from A to Z? Today, we are going to meet one amazing animal for every letter of the alphabet. From alligators to zebras, there's so much to see, hear, and learn. A for alligator. A for alligator. A for alligator. B for bear. B for bear. B for bear. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fox. F for fox. F for fox. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for horse. H for horse. H for horse. I for iguana. I for iguana. I for iguana. J for jaguar. J for jaguar. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for novel. N for novel. N for novel. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. Q for quail. Q for quail. Q for quail. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. S for snake. S for snake. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V for vulture. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for whale. W for whale. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. X for X-ray fish. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Wow, you did it. You learned all the letters from A to Z and met so many amazing animals along the way. Which animal was your favorite? Keep practicing your ABCs and you will become a super alphabet explorer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning. See you next time, little explorers. Till then, bye bye. Take care.